it in park. Turn the car off. Turn it off. Turn it off, Taylor. Turn it off. Turn the car off. Yes. Open the door. Step on out. Taylor. I'm gonna pull up in front of her so she can't try to run. Taylor, turn it off. Don't get in more trouble. Okay? Here, hand me the key. You know me. Hand me the key. Yeah, she wants a second. I got the key.
I'm about to refuse everything.
Step out real quick. Talk to Officer Ballo, okay? Please.
You already have that damn key.
I know, but I don't want to. I want you to be decent, okay? There's no sense in doing all this, okay?
No, I need to charge my phone so I can at least talk to somebody. No. What the you keep doing? No! Ready? Okay, bust in the window then.
No, I don't want to do that.
Why would we do that?
Stop. Do not do that. Step out.
I'm
Step
not.
out. Step out.
Hey, I'm not.
Step out.
I'm not.
Come on, Taylor.
I already told you what I'm not doing.
You're gonna step out for me.
I'm under arrest for
You're
what?
under arrest for driving while suspended.
You know what the Talaga is?
I'm at the bridge.
You can't.
Stop. Get.
Damn! Two men can't even damn near take a out of car.
Just put your arm behind your back.
My arm hurt. My rib hurts.
There you go.
My rib really does hurt.
Okay, stop.
No, my rib for real hurts.
Stop.
I really cannot breathe. I really cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. I'm really not. I'm not kidding.
Hang on.
I cannot breathe.
Hang on. We'll get you in a second.
I cannot breathe. I'm not.
Okay. Get on your side. Stop kicking. Stop kicking.
I hope I die. So my family can get paid. You. Do it.
Stop.
Do it.
Stop. Relax.
Oh, it's going down.
Take a breath.
Take my shoes off.
When are you
I already told you how many times. No shoes.
Searcher.
My lungs. What you looking for? My ass. Dumbass hoe. It ain't nothing in my pockets, bro.
That's better now.
You know, just for fun. Oh, I'm so.
Sit up.
Dude, you're pushing. On my shoulder.
Nobody's on your shoulder.
Keep pressing on my shoulder.
Nobody's on your shoulder.
What's her name?
You know
What is her name? What is her name? What's her name?
Taylor, no one's touching your
Yes,
shoulder.
you are. Oh, now you're gonna fucking let me up.
Taylor.
Now you're gonna let me up. Now you're gonna let me up.
Taylor.
We're I'm literally fucking screaming for fucking help.
Taylor.
I cannot wait.
Taylor.
Oh,
Taylor.
this is how they do black people. Let me go, bro. I'm not no threat to society, bro. Do you know who the I am? Let me the up.
We're gonna walk to this car. You probably want to follow. I don't know. Yeah. Get in the car.
I would love to. I don't know, with 1, 4, or 2.
Get your other in. Your other foot in.
What? Cause you're fucking black? Don't nobody respect.
I just want to go through see how many alcohols.
We are.
Yeah. Do you mind doing it, Tobe? Yep. Thanks, bro.
Anybody else is coming, they use a cigar. Need this?
10-4. I misunderstood. No, that's something enough for it.
Here's a key, Chuck. I got all the stuff I need out of it. Oh, we gotta try to put her in the seatbelt.
No. Are you serious? You want to try that?
I don't want to get sued.
Okay.
Yeah, we didn't even try. Put your seatbelt on.
First of all, put the fucking put my hair on
on.
my face so I can talk to you like a real man.
So put your foot
Okay,
in.
thank
Put your
you.
foot
Then
in.
f***ing don't do it like
your
that,
foot in.
damn. Okay, I'm not gonna. First of all, you let me go. I'm trying to talk to him.
Alright, she's in.
I want to.
Thank you. Yep.
You guys never read me out whatsoever.
Right.
You never read me my rights. You put me in the police
81439,
car without reading my
81439.
rights. You never read me my rights. What are you charging me for? I want to know right
Driving while license suspended and DUI.
now. Okay, DUI?
Yeah.
For what?
Because you're drunk.
No, I'm not.
I don't know. Did you come back on twice?
I can certainly give you some field sobriety tests and we'll see. Well, I gotta read your rights, Taylor, before we talk about that.
Well, you didn't do that, did you?
Well, that's what we're gonna do next.
It's not my
What's up?
What side is she on?
This side. She's been spitting a little bit. Yeah, we're good. Just my earpiece
I have a
come
good
off.
report there, so hopefully that'll help.
Good luck. Let me lock up.
You guys, you know you're a. We'll walk you with you.
DUI bench. I got the door.
Yeah, my hands, they hurt. They hurt. They hurt.
You need to stop moving, Taylor.
You gotta search her real quick and then we'll DUI bench.
And then I'm gonna get you out of this.
This hurts so bad. Please.
Taylor, just put your foot on
Please,
it.
my hands hurt.
Stand up.
Please, my hands hurt. Please. Please.
Taylor, stand up, please, and then we'll take the handcuffs off of you. But we need you to stand up.
They hurt.
Are you ready to stand up?
Please, come on. Please. Wait, stop pulling them, please.
You gotta come all the way in, Taylor.
My hands hurt really bad.
Gotta go over here, we're gonna search you. And we're gonna set you down.
My
Give me a second.
my hands really hurt.
We're gonna take these off in a minute.
This is really bad. I'm asking you to please stop. Please, I cannot feel the circulation.
Taylor, stop moving around. I'm going to take them off. I'm going to take them
I
off.
never said I did not move. Please, I did not move. Please, I did. Please.
You gotta lean forward or I can't see what I'm doing, Taylor. Lean forward. Thank you.
I can't breathe. My anxiety.
See, do you got that arm?
And your nose out your mouth, alright? And your nose out your mouth. You got it. And your nose out your mouth.
You got that arm.
No, I'm not running nowhere.
I know. You gotta lean forward. You keep shutting them even more.
okay?
There you go. Sit down, I'm gonna take this one.
What the was that about? You know what? You know I know every single last one of y'all, don't you? It's okay. This is the threat.
I'm gonna take this one.
You're dying when I get out.
Do not kick
Especially
me.
your fat ass. And I meant that. Everything. You and your wife and your kids. I know everything about you because I looked you up and you just locked me up the other day. You. How about that? Oh, yeah, now you look scared. You and your child.
Is that gonna work?
You. Why? Bro, I hate you guys so bad.
I know, Taylor.
No, you ain't wrong for taking. You ain't wrong. You're wrong. I cannot wait. You and your wife. I don't even know where the you live at. I know your kids white ass children. That's why I never understood why white people have kids. They be ugly as come out anyway. Don't worry, the cow is small. You're not nobody. I promise you. Watch this. Watch it. Watch it. I will literally pay $20 just to get you knocked off. And that's not. Actually, that's a threat. Next.
Taylor, I'm gonna read you your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used
I'm
against you in a court of
gonna
law. You have the right to talk to a
I'm
lawyer before
reporting you.
questioning and have him or her present
I
with you
hope
while
that
you're
they-
being questioned. If you cannot
Because
afford
you
to
know
hire
what
a
they're
lawyer,
gonna do to me
one will
once
be
I do
appointed
it.
to represent you before any questioning if
I
you
don't
wish
give a
one.
f***
You
if I
understand
do
that?
die.
Taylor, do you understand your rights?
You know exactly. Excuse me, sir. I'm talking to you. I just told you I'm not taking a mugshot, and I'm not putting my fingerprints on the fingerprint.
Okay, I'm
so
good.
now you can figure out where the I'm go with that one. I'm white, so I'm gonna live here. I'm not going anywhere. You guys will. This is what's happening to people. What is that?
It's gonna read you something.
I can't use.
Because this is
I
easy.
refuse.
That's fine.
I refuse.
This is a ticket for DUI.
I refuse.
And this is called the warning to motorists, and I'm gonna give you a copy.
I refuse.
These are your copies.
I said I f***ing refuse that shit. What the f*** are you studying handing me? I said what I just said. I'm sorry, officer. What is that?
Subsequent to an arrest for driving while under the influence of alcohol, other drugs,
Why? Because you couldn't pull me over?
Hydrocannabinol concentration of either 5 nanograms or more of whole blood,
Is that
or
why?
10 nanograms or more.
Because you never said.
Acid and
Let me go! Let me go! I don't want to hear that shit, bro. I do not want to hear that shit. Let me go, bro. That's why you're balding at the top of your head, bro. You should have picked a different career. Let me go, bro. I'm not trying to hear none of that shit. You never asked me no serious question. Not, hey Taylor, do you think you could Q walk a line, Q breathe in a weapon lesson? You never asked me none of that shit. Yes or no? Yes or no? Did you bring me my rights? Yes or no? And I was so much off of DUI. I'm trying to see, like, did I not hear it? Did it not come out? I got arrested and put in a f***ing car, and no rights got read to me. And you know it
further
too.
warned that as a motorist,
Why the f*** do you got Siri? What the f*** is this AI shit?
11-5.
You guys can't remember how to read a write or something?
We're gonna move you to another room.
No, do not put me in a f***ing cell. Put me in one of them things.
You wanna go in a cage? You gotta be handcuffed if you're in a cage.
Okay, but do not put me in a f***ing room, bro.
Go in a cage, but you gotta be handcuffed.
What?
Go ahead and have a seat. You're looking at me like you're gonna say something, so I was looking at you. Thought you were gonna tell me something.
You know I'm not gonna do nothing.
Okay, go ahead and have a seat.
You already know what you're gonna do.
Go ahead and have a seat. I'm gonna put you in there so I can work on your paperwork, because you said you want to get out of here, but you're making it take longer by sitting here and not doing what I tell you.
No, keep me on that side doing this so
No,
it
you gotta
hurts. Look at my wrist. What the f***?
Taylor, scoot over then and sit on that side of the handcuff.
There's nothing funny. I don't know what the f*** is funny to you. Like,
I'm
what
not
the
laughing.
Okay, I can't wait till your daughter has to go through the same. And I swear to God, one day.
Somebody's laughing at you.
Right. It's okay. One day your son, he will have to, or your
Forward a little
stupid ass
bit.
daughter will.
You haven't been here that long, okay?
Yes,
And you
I
haven't
have.
been the
Can't
most
I just
cooperative.
call
So calm down for a little bit, chill out, sober up for a little bit. I'll come back and we'll get you on the phone.
Why do you keep saying that? What the f do you mean sober up?
Because you're hammered, okay?
No, the f I'm not.
Remember I talked to you at Benny's house and I told you not to drive and you said you wouldn't. You even took the keys out because you were worried about getting a DUI because you knew you didn't have another driver, but you made some story up about
No, I don't.
some other
Leave
guy
me
dropped
alone
you off.
right now. Leave me alone.
Do you
Leave
remember
me
that was
alone.
me?
No, I do not.
Okay.
No, I don't know this.